According to the National Electrical Code, a motor-driven appliance is defined as an appliance that is part of a fixed wiring system and whose operation involves a motor of 1/8 horsepower or greater. It's important to understand this definition when dealing with the installation and maintenance of appliances like dishwashers and garbage disposals. Dishwashers and garbage disposals typically have motors that are less than 1/8 horsepower. Because of this, they are generally not considered to be motor-driven appliances under the NEC definition. This distinction is significant when determining the appropriate disconnecting means for these appliances, especially when they are not cord and plug connected. When dishwashers and garbage disposals are hardwired, meaning they are not connected via cord and plug, the NEC requires a disconnecting means to be installed. The specific requirements for this disconnecting means depend on whether the appliance is classified as motor-driven or not. Since dishwashers and garbage disposals usually fall outside the motor-driven appliance category, the relevant section of the NEC to consider is 422.31b. This section stipulates that a disconnecting means must be located within sight of the appliance and readily accessible. Let's break down what this means in practical terms. Firstly, within sight means that the disconnecting means, typically a switch or circuit breaker, must be visible from the location of the dishwasher or garbage disposal. There should be no obstructions that prevent a person from seeing the disconnecting means while standing at the appliance. Secondly, readily accessible means that the disconnecting means must be easily reached and not hidden behind locked doors or requiring the use of tools to access. This ensures that in the event of an emergency or when maintenance is needed, the power to the appliance can be quickly and safely shut off. Now let's compare this to the requirements for motor-driven appliances under Section 422.32 of the NEC. Section 422.32 outlines the requirements for disconnecting means for motor-driven appliances. These requirements may differ from those in 422.31b, potentially involving specific types of disconnects or placement requirements based on the motor's horsepower rating and other factors. However, since dishwashers and garbage disposals are generally not classified as motor-driven, Section 422.32 does not typically apply to their installation. To summarize, when installing or servicing a dishwasher or garbage disposal that is not cord and plug connected, it's essential to provide a disconnecting means that is both within sight of the appliance and readily accessible. This disconnecting means should be a switch or circuit breaker that can easily be used to de-energize the appliance. Remember to always consult the latest edition of the NEC and local electrical codes for specific requirements and to ensure compliance with all applicable regulations. Understanding the distinction between motor-driven and non-motor-driven appliances is crucial for safe and code-compliant electrical installations. This knowledge helps electricians and homeowners alike ensure that appliances are properly connected and protected, minimizing the risk of electrical hazards. When in doubt, always consult a qualified electrician to assess the specific requirements of your installation and to ensure that all work is performed safely and in accordance with the NEC. Always prioritize safety and adhere to all applicable electrical codes when working with electrical systems and appliances.